Welcome to How to Set and Achieve Your Goals. This is a step-by-step guide that will help you turn your dreams into daily action. Call me M, and this is part of the Excellence Catalyst series. I've realized that excellence isn't luck, it's a habit, and I want to share it with the world. Without goals, we drift away from our dreams. Having a clear goal gives you purpose, energy, and direction. It gives you something to aim for. But the real secret is knowing how to set a goal that actually works. That's what this video is about. SMART goals are the difference between a wish and a result. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. When your goal checks all five, it becomes real. It becomes doable. A common example is when someone wants to get healthy. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, a SMART version would be, I'll walk for 30 minutes, 5 days a week, for the next 8 weeks. Now you see the difference? This goal is clear, trackable, and time-bound. When your goals check all five, you achieve them easily with strategy. They become doable. When you have a SMART goal, break it into smaller tasks. Set weekly targets. Choose a tool to stay organized, maybe a calendar, a checklist, or a goal tracker. Start small. What matters most is starting. Accountability is what keeps you grounded. Share your goal with a close friend. Use a tracker or journal to log your progress. And set mini milestones, little checkpoints along the way to keep your momentum going. Now, every goal will be met with resistance simply because life happens. You may feel it's just you, but instead of giving up, shift your approach. Learn from the block. Tweak your plan. And remember, support is strength, not weakness. Reach out if you need help. Every step forward deserves recognition. Don't wait until the big win. Celebrate small victories. Reflect, reward yourself, and share your progress. These moments build confidence and keep you going. Here's your final reminder. Excellence isn't about one big move. It's about small steps taken consistently. Don't wait for perfect. Progress is the goal. Ready to start? I've created a set of workbooks to help you become a better version of yourself. Comment goal setting below to get your free copy. Subscribe for more practical tools from Excellence Catalyst. And remember, you're not behind, you're just getting started.